This is the Scuba S3, a upgrade version of Aiper's most popular pool vacuum, the Scuba S1. In today's video, I'm going to tell you 3 key differences between the Scuba S1 and the brand new Scuba S3 so you can make a better buying decision. So without further ado, let's jump in the video. First things first, I do want to let you know that Aiper did send this out to me as a media sample so I could check it out for you guys, but I do not allow any other types of sponsorships on any of my channels. Now, before we jump into those 3 things, the Aiper S1 is the best pool cleaner and the one that I recommend the most of Aiper's lineup, simply because of the affordable cost, and it did a great job of cleaning your pool. It was definitely my most recommended pool cleaner since 2024. So the first key difference is an increase in gallons per hour that puts through the machine, which takes it from about 4,200 gallons per hour all the way up to 4,800 gallons per hour. Now, that's not a huge increase, and to be honest, in most pools and most situations when you're cleaning it, you're going to have that cleaner in there every 2 to 3 days, and you're not going to see a difference. Yes, maybe in a scientific test in a one pass you might see a little bit of difference, but there's so many factors involved, you're not going to tell the difference. Nevertheless, it's still nice, but you might see something a little bit different in number 2, and that is the additional brushes in the back. So this is going to help just to scrub a little bit better. And if something misses in the front or in the intake, then sometimes that second brush will bring things back through, give it a second chance. Plus, the additional scrubbing is definitely useful on the floors and the walls. And you might be asking me about the waterline, and that leads into number 3. The new Scuba S3 has something that the V3 has, which is the jet assist technology, and that's just kind of like a jet on the left hand side. And if you do a water line cleaning mode, it's gonna stay up there for about 2 minutes and do a horizontal cleaning on the water line. And it's really cool to see it go from the left to right and stay up there for so long. It really does a great job on your water line. So if you tend to have a lot of buildup on your water line, then having something like this is a plus. Nevertheless, the S1 still does water line cleaning as it goes up the wall. It just goes right back down kind of where it went up. Doesn't go horizontally or stay up there that long. So if you're looking for a little bit more scrubbing power, a little bit more dedicated water line cleaning, the S3 is definitely the way to go. I know it's a little bit more expensive, but if you have needs for those things, then that's the model that I can recommend. But if you don't have those issues, the original 2026 S1 is definitely a home run also. But other than those things, they're both very similar pool cleaners. They both have to be plugged in the back to charge up. They both have similar size debris bins. I do like the debris bin design better on the S3 than the V1, because you have to open the hood or the lid of the S1 to get to the basket, where on the S3 the cover of the debris basket is also the cover of the robot itself. So it's just one less little thing you have to mess with. And if you want to see a comparison of all the pool cleaners I have reviewed and some of the tests that are run on these things, I have a comparison chart on my website, so definitely check out that link down below. Also, there will be affiliate links if you want to pick up one of those. I truly appreciate it. And if you have any questions, definitely hit me up in the comments. I will answer those when I get a chance. All right, guys, if you guys are new here and you're a tech lover and a pool owner, then hit that subscribe button, because I review this stuff all the time, and you definitely don't want to miss the latest technology that comes out for your pool. So definitely hit that subscribe button, and while you're at it, hit that like button. I truly appreciate it, and I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.